In a decision that Democrats have furiously denounced as dangerous, a Texas judge has issued an unprecedented ruling that threatens access to a widely used abortion medication. The conflicting court orders have left much uncertainty about the future of abortion access in the U.S., with Republicans and Democrats both weighing in to make their voices heard. The decision was handed down by Judge Matthew Kacsmaryk, appointed by the Donald Trump White House, and would severely restrict access to one of the most commonly used methods of terminating a pregnancy. In response, the Justice Department will appeal the Texas ruling, and the president has stated that this ruling is the next big step towards the national ban on abortion that Republican elected officials have vowed to make law in America. Democrats, abortion rights advocates and providers vowed to keep fighting to protect the availability of mifepristone, which is the first pill in a 2-drug medication abortion regimen. The president of the abortion rights group All Above All, Morgan Hopkins, said the Biden administration must take steps to ensure medication abortion care remains available, without interference from politicians or judges. Meanwhile, the U.S. Senator Ron Wyden, a Democrat of Oregon, has stated that the FDA, doctors, and pharmacies should ignore this ruling and keep mifepristone accessible to women in America. The argument is that the FDA has the authority to disregard the decision by Kacsmaryk and continue to maintain the status quo of mifepristone's availability. This ruling comes days after a liberal judge won a commanding victory to serve on the Wisconsin Supreme Court in a contest that underscored the enduring potency of abortion politics. As the Republicans are facing the political risks of overreaching on one of the most emotionally charged issues in American politics, Democrats are working hard to ensure the reproductive rights of women are preserved. The Senate Majority Leader, Chuck Schumer of New York, has promised to pass the Women's Health Protection Act, a bill that seeks to enshrine abortion protections in federal law. However, while the House of Representatives is in control of the Democrats, the Senate's Republicans effectively have used the filibuster to hold up this legislation. So what can be done to protect the rights of women if current laws don't work in their favor? Democrats have renewed calls to eliminate the filibuster in the Senate in order to get the Women's Health Protection Act passed. Emily's List is working overtime to replace Republicans with candidates who are committed to protecting reproductive freedoms no matter what. The future of access to medication abortion remains in limbo, with the ultimate decision likely resting on the Supreme Court. The Texas ruling has highlighted just how crucial the need is for federal regulations that protect the reproductive rights of women, should Roe v. Wade be overturned. In the meantime, Democrats are sending a clear message: they will not sit idly by as Republicans fight to strip them of their rights or attempt to curtail access to the medication abortions that provide freedom and control.